Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So OpenArt is built for visuals, but you can still add an audio script like voiceover by combining it with external tools and simple editing workflow. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add an audio script to OpenArt's project in 2026, the Smart workflow. Okay, so first thing first, to write your audio script. So start with a clean script, keep it short, conversational, easy to follow. Like for example, I will show you a short example. Okay, so like stop scrolling, this tool will save you hours every week. Okay, so like this, I'll show you this example. So I'll paste it here. Okay, so you can read it. So break it into short sentences, like it helps with pacing later. So generate audio now. So use external tools like 11 Labs or Play HT. So paste your script, choose a natural voice, generate audio, and download as MP3 or WAV. Okay, so add pauses for realism. Create visuals in OpenArt. OpenArt generates images or video clips. So we are now in the video. Okay, so match visuals to your script. For example, person working on laptop, frustrated. Okay, or same person smiling, solution found. Okay, so each line equals visual scene. Okay, so break audio into sections, like this is optional but powerful. So split audio into parts like hook, main message, CTA. So makes it makes syncing easier. So imports into video editor, like use CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro. So imports OpenArt clips. Okay, add your audio file. So and that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.